Kanis Grooming Table Installation. Step 1. Carefully unpack the table. This will include Step 2. Fasten the threaded stems onto the caster plates and secure them in place by tightening the supplied nuts for each caster. Screw in the caster to ensure proper stability. Step 3. Install the grooming arm brackets. Insert the 2 grooming arm vertical rods into the brackets and secure them with the black knobs. Install the tool organizer and tighten the 2 knobs. Step 4. Attach the upper parts of the grooming arm and secure them with the black knob. Slide the horizontal grooming arm part into the vertical ones. Step 5. Install the 4 eye bolts. Effortlessly set the table at the desired height by using the foot controller. With the ability to adjust from 11.4 to 39 inches, our electric grooming table will help you work comfortably and avoid back pain. Adjust the height of the grooming arm according to the size of your pet. The table features 2 universal AC outlets compatible with Type A and Type B US plugs and 2 USB ports, stainless steel hooks, and a storage tray. Once the table is positioned as desired, you can easily level it by rotating the thumb wheel to lower the rubber feet, which will stabilize it, providing a reliable workspace. Our professional grooming tables are available in 3 colors: white, black, and gray, and 2 sizes: 49 inches and 60 inches. Thank you for watching.